everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to do a baking recipe. So I'm showing you how to make healthy brownies, and what we're actually doing is we're using shredded zucchini inside them to give it a lot of moisture. So it sounds a bit gross. I don't actually like zucchini, but I promise you, you will not taste that at all in the brownie recipe, and it makes it super moist. And the recipe is also gluten-free if you're using gluten-free oats, and it's also refined sugar-free because we're using maple syrup instead. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and keep watching the video. So all you need is half a cup of oats blended into a fine powder, 1/3 of a cup of almond flour or almond meal, a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of Dutch cocoa powder. So this is the darker one. You want to make sure you use that if you can. 1 whole zucchini shredded, half a cup of maple syrup, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of almond butter, some dark chocolate chopped up, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and a shot of espresso. And this is going to help bring out the chocolate flavor, but I promise you, you won't taste the coffee. And if you have vanilla, add that, but I didn't have any, so I just mixed everything up. And it should look like this texture. If it looks super runny, you can add maybe a 1/4 cup more of almond flour or the oat flour, and then just transfer the batter into a baking dish. And we're going to bake this at 165 degrees for 15 minutes. But if you want it a little bit less gooey and fudgy, bake them for an extra 5 or 10 minutes even if you want. So when you take them out of the oven, they're going to look undercooked, but that's okay. Make sure you let it cool for half an hour before you cut them up. And what I actually do is I let them sit overnight, and this helps make them even fudgier, and it helps the flavor develop. And you can see how much fudgier and darker the brownies look the next day. They are firmer on top, but inside it's super gooey, chocolatey, and melty. And honestly, the two magic ingredients are the zucchini, which adds so much moisture, and the coffee, which helps to bring out the richness of the chocolate flavor. And they don't have that weird healthy taste. Like, honestly, they taste better than regular brownies in my opinion. And the zucchini has no taste, and having the chocolate chunks in definitely makes it taste even better. Try it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.